Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video that has been requested once or twice, I think. I don't really know how many times this has been requested, but it is my, drum roll please, squishy collection. Okay, so it is my squishy collection, which I'm super excited to show you guys. Because I have been working on, sorry, I think there's lamp in the place. Okay, I've been working on my squishy collection for a while now. Let's get started. So I'm going to start on my defective bin. So, the first thing I own my defective bin is this French fries. And this was in my first ever squishy package video. It's very defected. Then we have my iBloom Peach, which is really defective as well. It used to only have fuel on the top, but now it has a massive hole in the middle. So yeah. Then we have this cat squishy, which I've had for ages. This is one of my first ever squishies, and yeah, I wasn't a squishy collector. I just bought it. Like I used to buy things, oops, that I didn't even want. Like, oh my god, this looks so cool. And then we have this amber, move all these things, this amber reproduced blue cake, and it's super fluffy, and it smells actually really nice, but it is super fluffy, like really fluffy, but you can just see all these defects. But it's so fluffy. Then we have this mermaid who has been decapitated. Well, his head has fallen off once or twice, and it's like a bobblehead now. But yeah, I've tried to glue it back on many times, and like, why don't you just decorate the head? Because the head has a huge hole in it. It wouldn't decorate if it didn't have that hole. And then we have this Lucio Squeeze. I always just say Lucio Squeeze, and then I figured I don't actually have to say Lucio Squeeze anymore. But so if you're like, why is this in? No, it's just because I want to. This is so hard to get perfect lighting right now, guys. Like, if you are in winter right now in like a cold country like I am, you'll know the struggle. But then we have this Lucio Squeeze coffee, and it's really defected, as you can see. So yeah, I'm trying to get in. Okay, so yeah. You guys back. And then we have this Galaxy Bunny, which is actually one of mine, not one of my only squishy. My only defective squishy that's actually in packaging, because I just gave up on them. I was like, you know what, they're gonna get more defective anyway, so I may as well just not put them in the sorry guys for any background noise, the packaging. But yeah, here it is. It's really squishy, and I love how, like, I don't know how to explain this, but when you squish it, like, you see like all the paint kind of creases in. I like that. Then we have parts of a cat burger. This one was really good, actually, a really cool cat burger, and I loved it so much, but now it's in bits. And I'm not going to open it because that was one of my first ever squishy. Oh, next we have this squishy. Ah, my fingers. This is so hard to squish. Like, look. Like, listen. Like, listen to the normal sound. Like, if you hit it on something, normal squishy, this squishy. It's so big, and it's so defected, and it's super hard to squish. And then there is always one remaining, this little tiny squishy. So they're all my defected squishy. Here's yeah, I feel like that's probably one of my biggest collections. Next one is my just normal squishies. They're really the only squishies at the box. So first we have this cat squishy, this toast squishy, this donut squishy, this kawaii bread lace squishy, this panda egg, jumbo panda egg, this banana squishy, this steam bun, this Hello Kitty bread loaf, a medium panda bun with a red bag, a original panda bun, an original medium panda bun, a loaf bread, the head of a pineapple, a jumbo steam bun that has got all this weird stuff on the bottom, this weird glue on the bottom. I remember for a video, for a challenge, for a challenge I think, I put glue on the back of a squishy. Ew, that doesn't that look gross to you? Like, if I zoom in, it's like rock hard now. Like, it's all weird at the bottom. Mini Hello Kitty donut, a like dead toast squishy, a cat burger, a paw print, a block of tofu, another mini steam bun. Oh, this one's a soft one. A hot pink Hello Kitty donut, a dog in popcorn squishy, hold on, these are all in the packaging, a mini Hello Kitty kind of donut squishy, licensed by Sanrio, and then also a tag. Push all these back. Why are these all at the packaging? A Hello Kitty waffle, again licensed by Sanrio, tag. And then a Hello Kitty donut licensed by Sanrio, and with the tag. They're all different colour ball chains. So this one has pink, this one has grey, and then this one's gold. And then my last squishy is this. This one is this John Welch strawberry squishy. It's really big. So yeah, here is my whole entire normal squishy collection. Really good. I like squishies. This one is my dream squishy. And if you're wondering what is my new dream squishy, I don't have one. But if you're wondering, so where I got this all these Hello Kitty ones. This from, I got them for Christmas, which is super nice. So yeah, as I pack them away, I'm gonna just tell you things that. So first thing I'm telling you is sorry for the background noises. But yeah, and then next thing I need to tell you guys is sorry for my getting a guinea pig part 1 or my slime making video. Sorry they're really quiet. I didn't mean to make them. I don't really re-watch my videos after I already posted them. I just guess that they're perfect. Like, so if you're wondering like, oh my god, why didn't you know this thing isn't like perfect? I'm sorry, I will not do every time now. I always re-watch my videos. Yeah, so basically, yeah. This video has been 9 minutes, and I hope to, as my squishy collection grows, I will do another big squishy collection. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make be sure to smash that subscribe button and that like button and press that notification bell. Ding! This week's shout out goes to. Oh, sorry, I am actually starting shout outs. So all you have to do is like, subscribe, press the notification bell, comment down below, done, and yeah, or you can like, so like, subscribe, press the notification bell, and then comment down below, done, yeah, and so you have to comment down below, done, and then the question of the day. The question of the day is, what is your dream squishy? And if you don't have one, if you are into squishies and all that stuff, what's your dream squishy? And then if you're into gaming, what is your dream skin on a game? So you have to your game and your dream thing on that game, and then you have to tell me if you're into all that other stuff. What's your favorite thing? And then name the thing, and then what's your favorite part of it? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.